Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen T-ROC Cabriolet Mark 1 R line that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired deep black pearl paintwork, alongside housing a 1.5TSI engine and efficient auto transmission. It does house plenty of advanced features, including the transformation for the summer with your retractable roof. This can be done in seconds, enhancing that stylish look, alongside top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, further protection with your power folding wing mirrors, stylish 18-inch Nevada alloys, and even your parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space for your daily essentials, whilst the Vienna leather trim offers a luxury and easy maintenance and comfortably seating two rear passengers, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience, and of course access to your central touch display. Again, you do have your stylish leather trim with your R finish, followed by seamless navigation with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, including your various audio with various radio stations, app connect, and even your navigation for those unfamiliar areas. Alongside your on-screen driving information, you do also have the activation of your front and rear sensors for those awkward parking maneuvers, alongside further assistance and your on-screen air conditioning to ensure a desired temperature all round, as it does work off a dual system. This is followed just below by your main options, including your two front heated seats to keep you toasty warm in the winter, followed by your various power outlets, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.